What's going on, guys? Andy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your first $100 online with affiliate marketing using completely free traffic sources, using completely free resources. And the best part about this video is I'm going to show you a simple, clever traffic hack that I've been using myself for the past couple of weeks, and it's been working like clockwork. So if this is your first video that you ever seen about making money online with affiliate marketing, just make sure you're going to watch from beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how to actually set this method up with zero skills or experience, without any investment whatsoever. All you need for this is just your laptop and an internet connection. And if you're going to set this method up, you can see your first results as soon as in the first 24 hours. So if you're looking forward to this, just make sure to hit that like button under this video, subscribe to this channel, make sure to hit the notification bell, and also, if you'll be so kind, I would greatly appreciate if you would leave a comment down below in the comment section telling me how you like this video. And with all that being said, let's just get started. And what you want to do here, if you are a complete beginner, you want to grab yourself a free account. Click on register now, and what you want to do is go ahead and sign up for your Digistore account, which is completely free. You don't have to even submit your credit card for this. All you want to do is just go ahead and fill in this information like your public username, email, and choose a very strong password, because you will be making money on this account and you want that to be protected. Then just go ahead and select you are an affiliate, because you will be primarily focusing on products of other vendors, and then just go through this B2B contract, privacy policy, and click on agree. Then just click on continue, fill in your personal information, which I cannot do for you, and you will get your account. Once you're going to get your free Digistore account, what you want to do is log right into it. And once you log into your account, you want to navigate to the affiliate marketplace. Pretty much this is all the affiliate offers that you can get on Digistore 24 and start promoting them. And this is going to be working for any of these offers out there, but I'm going to show you how to do this in one of the most popular niches, which is health and fitness, because it's still summer and people are going to do anything to lose that weight or to improve their health overall. Pretty much, if you're going to go to health and fitness section, you can find some of the best selling products on Digistore right here. For example, this ultimate keto meal plan that could work very well, and I've been promoting this in the past, had great results with it, but I would recommend going for something that's not going to be as saturated. If you're going to go through these products, you will find, for example, this smart blood sugar, which is on Digistore for over 3 years and it's been selling very well for me. I have been promoting this product in the past using different methods, and I had pretty good results with it just as well. And this exact same method that I'm going to show you, this is going to be working like clockwork. What you want to do is go to Digistore and find this smart blood sugar product, and you want to click on promote now, which is going to be looking something like this, promote now button, and then you will get your affiliate link. What you want to do is just copy it just like that, and you want to paste it somewhere where you can access it later, for example like into a notepad or any other text editor, or just leave Digistore 24 website open if that's convenient for you. Now if you're going to check out the sales page of this product, once you have your affiliate link ready, what you want to do is start promoting it now. For that, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for writesonic.com. What you want to do is go to this website that's going to be called writesonic.com, which is the best AI writer, copywriting, and paraphrasing tool out there. So pretty much what you want to do is go to this website and you want to sign up using your Gmail account. Click on get started, and as you can see right here, you can use your Gmail or Apple account or any other email that you may want to use. And once you're going to get your account, you want to sign into it, and once you're going to get inside, it's going to look something like this. Now pretty much what you want to do here is just go to this section where it says AI Article Writer 5.0, which as you can see is the improved version of the 4.0, which is pretty much improved version of 3.0 ATC. So you can see this is the 5th version of WriteSonic's AI Article Writer, and it's going to generate a very high quality article that you can then use to promote your affiliate link, your affiliate product, and you can use it to drive traffic to the sales page and make some sales. So what you want to do is just go to this AI Article 5.0 and you want to start generating a high quality article regarding this affiliate product, which in this case is this smart blood sugar. Just go to this section where it says topic, and what you want to do is write there the name of the product, which in this case is smart blood sugar, and what you want to do is just click on search articles. Then what you want to do is scroll to this section where it says reference articles, and pretty much click on add links and go ahead and paste your affiliate link in there, because that way WriteSonic is going to draw resources from the sales page of the product, and it's going to make this article a little bit more fitting for the product itself. That's the reason why you want to paste your affiliate link in there. Then just click on next right here, and you want to add a little bit more details about how you want this article to look like. So if you're going to go to this additional information, you want to write in there something like smart blood sugar review. Then just go to these keywords and type in there the exact same thing. It's very important that you're going to be using SEO keywords for this, because the traffic source that I'm going to show you is to some degree going to rely on Google searches, although I'm going to show you a very clever traffic hack that's going to make this almost irrelevant, but it's good to have it there because that way the article is going to be a little bit more tailor-made. Then if you are using paid version of Right Signing, what you can also do is go ahead and select superior quality type of article, but I'm going to show you how to do this completely for free without any investment. So I'm just going to be using this premium type, which is free, and also make sure language is going to be English. Once you're going to do that, what you want to do is click on generate article and wait for a couple of seconds for this to get generated. And as you can see right here in real time, this article is going to be generated for you, and it's going to be drawing resources from the sales page, so it's going to be a little bit more fitting. So what you want to do is just wait for the magic to happen and for this article to get generated in real time for you. And as you can see, it's going to generate this very high quality piece of content that's going to be serving like a review for the product. Once you're going to have this generated, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for Medium. Search for Medium on Google and you're going to find this result that's going to be medium.com. And if you're going to open this site up, you can see this is a website where you can post article about anything and everything, and people are going to be reading it. Because this is not like a chatbot or forum where you will get a bunch of random answers. This website contains high quality articles about the very different topics. For example, like this article right here is going to show you how to earn $200 plus by writing for 3 websites. Then there's going to be like a very detailed article about something, and if you're going to take a look at it, it's going to be resembling what you have created on Right Signing very closely. So pretty much what you want to do is go to Medium, and if you're going to check out this website using similar web extension, you can see it's getting over 137 million monthly views, from which over quarter is going to be coming from United States. So you see that you will be getting tons of tier 1 traffic from this website. So what you want to do is pretty much just go ahead and sign up using your Gmail account and then just click on Write. And all you need to do now is just go back to Right Signing and you want to copy the title of the article, paste it to Medium just like that, and then just go ahead and copy this entire body of the content that's been generated for you and paste it into Medium as well. Once you're going to paste it in there, what you want to do is scroll all the way down where it says this additional information, and you want to add a simple sentence at the end that's going to be something like, this article contains affiliate links. Then what you want to do is go to the notepad and you want to actually copy the affiliate link to the product, and somewhere in this article what you want to do is add a simple sentence that's going to be somewhere in this article what you want to do is go ahead and add another simple sentence that's going to be something like, check out smart blood sugar here. Then just go ahead and highlight the entire sentence and click on this link button, and you want to paste your affiliate link in there. Now if you're wondering if it's legal to post affiliate links in Medium articles, pretty much if you're going to check out this article right here, that's actually posted on Medium itself, and it's dealing with issue of affiliate marketing on Medium. If you're going to check out this article, it's going to say that Medium does allow affiliate links in your posts, but you have to add disclosure in your post, and that's actually the reason why we have created this very simple sentence at the end of the article. So pretty much this is everything you need to do on Medium, and then just go ahead and click on publish right here. Then if you want, you can post a high quality image of the story that's going to be serving like a banner for the article that you have just created. Just go to the affiliate page of the product on Digistore and grab some images from there, upload them to Medium, and then just post a bunch of topics that this article is going to be related to. So pretty much I'm going with something like smart blood sugar, and let's add weight loss for a good measure as well. Then just click on promote now, and as you can see, your story is going to get published. Now what you want to do is go to this button where it says share. You want to click on that and copy the link to this article, because I'm going to show you a very clever traffic hack that's going to help you to get a lot of traffic to your article, and in the end to the affiliate link right here. That's going to help you get a lot of traffic to this article, and in the end to the affiliate link that you have posted in here too. So what you want to do is go to indexkings.com, and what you want to do is paste the entire link in here. Post it right into this field, and what you want to do then is just click on complex URLs, because you want to be creating backlinks for this entire URL that's going to be driving people to the article you have posted on Medium. And pretty much what you want to do then is just click on rapid index, and in real time you can see this is going to be generating backlinks to your article, which is pretty much going to make it more visible to the search engines for smart blood sugar on Google or on Medium. Your article is going to be that more likely to get to the results, and that way you will get a lot of traffic to it. So just create this article on Brightsonic, post it to Medium, embed it with your affiliate link, create backlinks to your Medium article on indexkings.com, and pretty much that's all you need to do. So even if you are a complete beginner, you will see this is something that actually works and make money for you as well. Now if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already, and for more free money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.